See here, you see I'm taking out this bottom panel here, and I had to remove the side of the center console. Of course, you see I took the seat out. I didn't have to, but I did to give me some room to work. And I taken that side panel off to give me a better view, and there was two screws here that was holding this in. I took out. They're all 7mm head screws, X screws. And then you just work this thing off of here. Doing that with one hand. You gotta be careful because that's aimed down. I could have ripped that thing off of there. So you take that off. You have this piece right here that's being held up. I think I could take that off, or just leave it. All right. So there you go. Side panel, everything just pops right off. Show you. So just got all those little knobs, so you just those little snap-on clips, so you just pull those off carefully. I first pull this off and kind of ease it, pull it up and ease it back, because it's connected to the cluster stuff over there. Alright, this you just pull up as well. You see you got clips right here, and you got your connector. I disconnected. Don't want to break anything. Alright, that's where I'm at.